In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide read receipts on Messenger. Hiding read receipts on Messenger is important for privacy and managing expectations, enabling users to control when they respond to messages and avoid feeling pressured to reply immediately. To do this, simply head into your Messenger. On your chat page, tap on these 3 lines right here. Then you will have to tap on the settings option right here. Select this option of privacy and safety. On this page, you will have to scroll down to the very end and select this option of read receipts. Make sure to disable this option. When turned off, whenever you receive and open any message, they won't notice that you opened and read their message. That's how easy it is to turn off read receipts on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.